Hello, how to get car learner using Dastak app in Pakistan. Before start this video, welcome your own channel Lifestyle Kuwait. After a very long time, I will grab you guys. As you know, I'm in Pakistan and spending time with my family, so that's why I couldn't get more informative video for you guys. Okay, move forward. Today I get information for you. Must be is it's useful for you guys how to get learner license, whatever you need in Pakistan using Dastak app. For more information video, do like, share, subscribe, comment my video. Come on your app stores, download it Dastak app, and you can see there's lots of option we have. There's two options: learner driving license, proceed with doorstep services, or self services. Definitely I choose self services. Now I will show you check status of your national ID card. Put your national ID card number and birthday. After check, I will show you my learner status. Yes, definitely I did hide because it's privacy. Everyone there has their own privacy. Okay, then when you downloaded your Dastak app in your phone, then put all information: your ID card number, your contact number, your emergency contact number, height, blood group, nationality, civilian, automatic license or manual, whatever you want. Lots of information add in. Then put to your ID card front and back, then your picture, and definitely choose you need which types of license are: learner, commercial, non-commercial, tractor, car, whatever you want. Then put all the information in this and you can get learner. Thanks for watching. Signing off. For more information video, I'll be back. Bye bye.